Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss the chapter Reproduction. Let us know the term biogenesis first. Biogenesis is derived from the combination of two Greek words that are bios means life and genesis means origin. Biogenesis is an important characteristic of living organisms. Louis Pasteur first gave the evidences regarding biogenesis. According to him, living organisms always generate from the pre-existing ones similar to themselves. Let us enter the chapter now. Reproduction is the process by which a living organism produces young ones of its own kind. Reproduction is defined as the behavioral instinct of living organisms which is performed in order to maintain the continuity of their races. In animals, mainly two types of reproduction take place, that are asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. The development of new individuals, without the fusion of male gamete and female gamete, is called asexual reproduction. Only one parent is required for asexual reproduction. Hence it is uniparental. Asexual reproduction usually includes mitotic or amitotic division of somatic cells. Hence, it is also called somatogenic or blastogenic reproduction. Asexual reproduction includes fission, budding or gemmation, plasmatomy, gemule formation and regeneration. Here are some examples of asexually reproducing organisms. Sexual reproduction is the most common type of reproduction in both plants and animals. In sexual reproduction, development of new individuals take place by the fusion of sex cells or gametes. Two parents of opposite sex are required for a sexual reproduction. Hence, it is biparental. Sexual reproduction includes mitotic or meiotic division of germ cells to form gametes, as well as fusion of gametes to form zygote, from which new individual develops. Some sexually reproducing organisms are mentioned here. Let us discuss some differences between asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is uniparental, whereas sexual reproduction is biparental. In asexual reproduction, genetical identity is maintained, but sexual reproduction leads to variation. Only mitosis is required for asexual reproduction, but sexual reproduction requires meiosis for gamete formation and mitosis for zygote development. Asexual reproduction has faster rate of reproduction than that of sexual reproduction. Offsprings of asexual reproduction have comparatively lower adaptability to sudden environmental changes than that of offsprings of sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction includes fragmentation, fission or budding, whereas sexual reproduction includes haploid gamete and diploid zygote formation. Asexual reproduction is seen in lower invertebrates, but sexual reproduction is seen in higher invertebrates, and all vertebrates. The video has arrived its end. Wait for upcoming videos for more information on this chapter. Till then, goodbye.